This is what happens to our snakes. Bob tends to like to test their... Oh, well, she beat them by far. I don't get it. How can snakes eat... How can snakes eat these things if they're smarter than them? It's horrible.
Ah!
I think Xyla faulted. Don't you?
A lot.
That's her cage. It's kind of small. And that's her owner. Ew.
That was my normal face. Stop!
They're like blurry.
Stop!
Ew, dirty feet.
Stop! Stop.
That was horrifying.
Your face is like blurry. Don't touch me now. Oh, oops.
No! I'm a guardian.
Watch the video.
You're looking at your butt quite a lot.
Bob!